Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this 324 bearing remover. Alright, so let's start with today's video. Let's go. Okay, so this is what the remover looks like. So basically this one you can see, you can take it off. So there is two different sides, and this side is for us to remove the bearing, and this is the side we install the bearing. And this one you come with another spare parts for you, so just in case if you lost it, you still have one more. Okay, and how you install it, basically on this side you can see there's A and B. So the B, you can see there is a spot for you to install the bearing. So using this side, and just push that, and then we just tied it, then you would just install the bearings on here. And the other side, using this and the 8, this side, and you can see there's a hole in the center, and this basically is when you put the bearings on it and you just tied it, and you straight just push the bearing out and into this hole. Okay, you can see this hole's right over here. Okay, so now we're gonna see how it looks like when you're doing install and remove the bearing. Okay, so after you guys watch the video, I think you guys will have more idea about these tools. So here I wanna share a little bit after I using these tools. So because before I used to have two different type of the remover, and one is like the wheel remover, but they have small tools you can remove and install the bearings on the wheel remover, and the other one is just the the bearing remover, but that one I think I've been using that about almost 1.5 or 2 years, but the one I have right now is the third one already, which means the two I had it before is all broken. So this one, because it was pretty much same, this is pretty much same design as like the wheel driller, as the 324 used to have it. It's pretty much same close, very similar, same design. So the real wheel remover that I have it is I bought that 5 years ago. So until now it still works fine, completely fine. So for this one, I believe it can use as long as that wheel remover. So which means I think until I retire, this one can still work as well. Okay, and the other thing is, because the design for this one, it's basically, if you can see the roller here, when you try to remove the roller, it's absolutely all the surface is on this remover. So it's helping you to make sure your roller is not easily get bent. Okay, because that was also the problem I have it on my previous those two remover as well. So this one, I think will be cause the less damage for your roller when you're trying to install or remove the bearings. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.